Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, we haven't covered Bonk actually for a while, I think. But Bonk has reacted again to that orange support area for the yellow B wave. I have to say though, this chart, it's getting a bit messy, right? It's very choppy, very overlapping. I mean, you see this is a really difficult structure to track and to interpret. I mean, it all starts with, where do I place this wave follow? Is it here? Is it here? I can even make a case for here, right? I could even call it a triangle, and it's here. So it doesn't make it very easy. Essentially, though, it doesn't make a great difference, because even if I put it here for a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, then this could also be like a 1, 2, and it wouldn't really make a great difference, right? So therefore, we don't need to make it, we don't need to overcomplicate things. For now, I'm tracking a potential fifth wave as an ending diagonal. Alternatively, and you see it here, the uncertainty around that wave 4. I mean, if it breaks down and fails here to hold the orange support region, well, it's likely a larger wave 4. That's the bearish alternative I can offer. If the market breaks below the 78.6 retracement, if the market breaks below the 20546 level, very, very important level, yeah, because that's the 78.6 retracement. I go to the 4-hour chart, and it's sort of the last key level to hold in this B wave. I mean, B waves can go below it, right? It would just be additional weakness that would be communicated by this. But for now, it is possible that Bonk bottomed there on, I think it was Monday. Like many other cryptocurrencies, yeah, Monday marked an important low. Very much possible that Bonk bottomed there in this B wave. And it's a B wave in a larger uptrend. And this uptrend would be a C wave within wave 3. Or at least this particular move up would be a C wave in wave 3 of a wave 5, which should be a 5-wave move. Talking about targets, I mean, the next larger degree target is located at 93226. We can try to calculate that more precisely by taking the length of the A wave. We go to the low of the B wave, and funny enough, it is very, very close to the 100% extension, which is an ideal target for a C wave. So I'm not calling that out separately, but it's very, very close, okay? And that is just a normal target for a C wave, so it's good when they overlap. So yeah, I mean, ideally the price is gonna get there. I would like to see a little bit more evidence. For example, I would like to see a break above the last swing high, above this signal line here. I mean, that is important. This is located at 36723. And then, yeah, this would provide additional evidence that, that the bulls are making a comeback, not just trying a comeback. Now, I don't really have a reliable micro count. I mean, surely we could say maybe, is this a wave 1, 2? Is this a third wave? Maybe. I certainly don't have a clear 5-wave move, and I wouldn't really want to try to give you the false impression that it's easy or even necessarily possible to get a reliable micro count out of Bonk. Sometimes it's clearer, sometimes it's less clear. I remember when we were tracking this move up, this developed into a nice 5-wave move. It held a higher low, rallied, but still failed to rally really impulsively. And in the end, we have to say maybe this was just 3 waves, if this entire move up is a diagonal. But it doesn't make a great difference anyway. So we were looking for, after 5 waves, for a pullback. Failed, unfortunately, a reversal here. Needed another low, but didn't break below the swing low from April. So yeah, I mean, it is going higher step by step, slowly. I think the next key levels were mentioned in terms of upside targets. I mean, above that next one here, which is at 36723, which is located where the swing high from the 4th of January is, was printed. I mean, the next key level there that needs to be broken, here we have 1, 2, 3 swing highs in at that point. That is the 48977 level. Nearly. I mean, we talk here about, like, I don't know, how many digits after, after the dot, yeah. Anyway, I just want to draw that line here. To be precise, it's at 48787. So idea is, let's see if the market can break above this level. By the way, this could turn into something like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. but they sometimes don't wait for the pullback. Okay, sometimes they break out directly, and whether it goes directly or needs a pullback before, the next level would be here where these swing highs from December and November are located, and then ideally we go to that target box. Yeah, that's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.